Former Finance Minister of Meghalaya passed away. Former Finance Minister of Meghalaya, A.J. Scott Lindo, passed away here on Tuesday due to old age. He was 93 years old when he took his last breath. Scott passed away on 7th of March, Tuesday, at an old age, according to his family members. More than 200 people arrested in Kolkata. As many as 212 people were arrested from different parts of the city of Kolkata for a variety of inappropriate behavior by the West Bengal police on Tuesday, the 7th of March 2023. They were arrested during the Dol Yatra festival, and it is being celebrated across the state on the occasion of Holi. 4.1 magnitude low-density earthquake hit Guwahati and its parts of its neighboring areas. Guwahati and parts of its neighboring areas was hit by a 4.1 magnitude low-density earthquake on March 8 morning at around 3:59 a.m., where the epicenter was Kamrup district. An actor, writer and director of Bollywood industry, Satish Kaushik, passed away on 8 March. Satish Kaushik is an actor, writer and director of Bollywood. He died on March 8 in Gurugram at the age of 66. The actor died after suffering a heart attack on Wednesday. Gold biscuits worth ₹3 crore were recovered by the government railway police from the Guwahati train station. On 8 March, a sizable quantity of gold biscuits worth ₹3 crore were confiscated by the government railway police from the Guwahati train station. Sources claim that during an operation at Paltan Bazar train station, the GRP was able to effectively recover a sizable quantity of gold biscuits from the Rajdhani Express. One man lost his life amidst holy celebration. Amidst holy celebration across the country, one man lost his life, identified as Bishnu Das, shot dead by his own brother in Tezpur, Assam on 8th of March. The police have apprehended the deceased brother Alok Das. North Tura legislator Thomas A. Sangma elected as the Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. North Tura legislator Thomas A. Sangma has been elected unopposed as the Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. On the other hand, these two northeastern states of India, Meghalaya and Nagaland, have set a shining example of women empowerment by inducting 2 women MLAs as cabinet ministers ahead of International Women's Day on March 8. Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sharma, inspected the ongoing renovation works to beautify Assam. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma on Thursday, that is the 9th day of March, visited the Brahmaputra riverfront in Guwahati and inspected the ongoing renovation works to beautify Assam to make the world-class public space and prime tourist destination, he tweeted. Chief Minister Sharma was accompanied by Minister Piyush Hajorika and Ranoush Pegu during his inspection visit around 9 a.m.